right. Time now is 9:35. Our good friend, Craig Ashton from Ashton Price here. Good morning to you.
Nice to see you.
Such positive mood this morning. Maybe it was like hanging upside down.
Hanging upside down helps with the brain. It makes you taller, helps my back. Did that this morning with my pig and my chihuahua.
I love it.
This is true. These are all true statements.
All true statements. All right. So we wanted to talk to you about this. Here's something that we'd like to get your opinion on. We heard this morning. Sharing a Netflix password may now be a federal crime. Same for Hulu, HBO Go, or any other streaming service.
Now that we're hearing is how some are interpreting this federal ruling in a hacking case. A guy used a former coworker's password, right, to get into his old company's system. And in this case, the court ruled that using that password did violate the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. So a lot of people are now wondering, when it comes to sharing other types of passwords for Netflix, things like that, can the FBI hunt people down for doing this?
Potentially, but let's look at it from a more practical perspective.
Okay.
So we all understand trespass, right? So basically this is trespassing into a computer, but think about your property. So for instance, in my office, we have a computer system, which is a security system, which has a code. So all of our employees have that, but if one of my employees gives it to their cousin, who then comes in on the weekend and gets into my office, that's going to be a trespass. Because they took information that will allow them access to my office and gave it to somebody else that doesn't have authority to get into the office that I run. So when you're talking about a computer system, which is a company system, and an employee gives it to somebody else to access something that they're not authorized to use, then that could be considered fraud or misrepresentation to get into something that you don't have authority to be on. So the idea when you're dealing with Netflix and these other things is look at your contract. Because what the company is worried about is that you give your password to, let's say, a cousin who's not authorized to use it, and you go out of town and they drink tequila all weekend and they order 2,000 movies, and then you say, hey,
that wasn't me.
That wasn't me.
Yeah.
Then there's going to be a breach of contract issue, and then whether or not they access that with your authority, then that becomes a fraud issue. So I would say from a practical perspective, don't worry about the FBI knocking on your door. They've got bigger things to worry about. But it really comes down to common sense and authority to use something. And if the contract says specifically this is an exclusive agreement between you and Netflix or you and Hulu, and you may not transfer this, just like my American Express card, right? I can't just give it. I could, but if you used it, then I would say, hey.
I would accept.
I didn't order that Louis Vuitton. so the idea is that it's about authority to use something that you're using as a transactional experience. And if the contract says it's only exclusively between you and the company, then if somebody else uses it, then they could be in violation of fraud for sure.
Okay. All right. We wanted to talk a little bit about drones and how we can monitor that, I guess.
I was fascinated because this was just a story we ran last week in Carmichael. This woman says, this drone thing keeps flying over my yard. Do I have any recourse?
Yeah, the funny thing is when I graduated from Berkeley, right, there's no Oprah, there's no Facebook, there's no cell phones. But now everything is documented. Yeah. So now you've got drones flying up, and you have a reasonable expectation of privacy in your backyard, in your house. So if a drone pops up to your bathroom window, that is clearly invasion of your privacy. If you're out going to get some pizza and a drone's following you, probably not. Because ultimately, your right to privacy doesn't extend beyond your front door.
So what about standing in your backyard?
Standing in your backyard, I think you'd be protected. And at that point, you'd have a civil case against the operator of the drone. And it may also be a law enforcement issue because there are now rules in regards to where drones can fly, which the FAA just passed. And ultimately, they could be in violation of a federal statute as well.
So it kind of depends on where you are at.
Yeah, it's basically think about your right to privacy in your backyard, in your house. Your home is your castle. Once you go out to Baskin-Robbins, it's fair game to videotape.
We're kind of familiar with this in the media. You can learn when it's appropriate to shoot. But now it's like the whole public is shooting with drones and phones and everything.
So now everybody's got their own paparazzi following them.
Yeah. And we love it because we're so selfish.
I know, right? Craig, it is always great to see you.
Nice to see you.
Thanks so much. If you want to get in contact with him, we've got his info there for you on the screen, also on our website, gooddaysacramento.com.
See you again soon.
Okay.
Former and current